This podcast is certified fresh. Freshmediaworks.com.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Marketing Drive. I'm Chris Doelle, and this is the show where I use my commute to talk about one subject that has an impact on your marketing. Today, I want to talk about hashtags. Are you using hashtags? If you're not, you need to be. First off, what is a hashtag? It's a, to put it simply, a social media tagging system that categorizes content. What the heck does that mean? That little pound sign, you put that in front of a word or a subject, and people can click on that and then go read other posts, other stuff about that subject. It's viewable by anyone. They don't have to be in your network. They don't have to be your friend. They don't have to follow you. They click on that hashtag on somebody else's post, and they'll see yours. So it expands your reach. Huge, and that's the real power of it. So be smart about your hashtags. Don't make up some crazy hashtag like you post something about a cake that you baked and make it hashtag this is the cake I baked made out of chocolate. Nobody else is using that hashtag, so you're not going to get found. But if you post a hashtag that says something along the lines of hashtag sweet, or hashtag chocolate, or hashtag cake, there's a good chance somebody else will use that hashtag, and then they'll find your post. Now, there's also some hijacking you can do where you can use a hashtag that's trending in the world, but be careful how you use it. Don't use something like some people, when the Boston Marathon bombing happened, there was some hashtags, Boston Marathon or bombing or things like that, terrorism, that people would put in their content just to drive traffic. The problem is people clicked on that hashtag wanting to read more about the Boston Marathon bombing, not necessarily to read more about how they should buy your widget. So that can backfire on you, get you some backlash, and make you look pretty sleazy. So again, if you're going to use something that's trending, your subject, your topic should be about that trending thing. All right, I want to thank you for taking the time and listening to the Marketing Drive. I am Chris Doelle, reminding you to keep it real.
You've been listening to The Marketing Drive with Chris Doelle. To learn more about how Chris can help your company get more customers, call 713-269-4620 or visit us on the web at freshmediaworks.com.